Today I'll show you how to make sushi rice. Okay, I'll teach you step by step. That is the sinjamai medium grain rice. For the sushi, it's very good for short grain rice. And here you can see no washing necessary. That's why in my restaurants we are not washing this rice. We are just putting the rice and we are putting water and we started to cook. But today I will show you how to cook properly, how to make sushi rice properly step by step. Depend on the restaurants what kind of rice are you using. But here this is the sinjamai. This is the rice. Okay. It's a medium grains, but for the sushi, short grain rice is very good. For the sushi, the rice is the most important part. Rice can change the quality of the sushi 60 to 70%. That's why rice is the most important things in the making sushi. Okay, let's make the rice. Okay, how to make? I will show you step by step how to make sushi rice today. Okay, this is the jar of 2000 ml. You can see here is the 2000 ml. So it's nearly 2 kg rice. I'm putting here. Okay. I'm putting now 1000. That means here I put 3000. I'll wash very well. It's different rice. We'll wash again. At least we have to wash 3 times. Yeah, it's my 4 times. Okay. You can see that kinds of white. Water should be very clean. When you put water here, you have to see the rice inside the rice very clean. So it's a process of the making sushi rice. This is my last time. You can see now the water is a little bit more clean rather than the previous. Okay. Now I will put here water. The rice is 3 kg. So I'll put here water 2700 ml. Okay, let's see. 2000. Okay. Here is 700 ml. Okay. Now I'm gonna put rice in here. Okay. Now I am putting here. Okay, I make the on and I'll wait till 45 to 55 minutes. It depends on the quantity of the rice. It depends on the types of the rice. But this rice, sinjamai rice, I have to wait at least 45 to 55 minutes. Okay, we'll wait and we'll take out rice. Okay, I'll took the rice. Okay, now I have to took out all of this. You can see the burning part. I have to took out this. Okay, then after I'll show you how to mix. Okay, I'll took out all the burning part. This is the garbage. Okay, we are using that kinds of vinegar for a sushi. Yeah, vinegar for the sushi. This is the pladins. For the vinegar, rice vinegar, you can make in your yourself also, or you can buy the vinegar also. Vinegar. I am using 1100 ml vinegar for the rice. Okay, I'll use here. Normally Japanese or lots of restaurants use this pot for the wooden pot, but here I have the plastic pot. That way I'm just using the plastic pot. Okay. Normally the techniques of the making the rice is same, but they use the different kinds of the rice. That's why it's a very it can change the quality of sushi. We are making like this because the wind can make the low temperature of the rice, so it cannot be cooked more with this temperatures, because here is also temperature, so it will be cold very fast. Now we'll mix time and again every 3 to 4 minutes, every 2 minutes, and we'll wait till it will be cold. Then after we'll put in this pot, we have that kinds of pot here. Here is the rice also I already make, yeah, and I'll put same as like in this box, because vinegar rice we cannot put in the that kinds of pot, steel pot. It will be a react. That's why we are putting in the plastic bag. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you want to know about the sushi more and more, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and give one like for me. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.